My name is Scott Hill. I am a photographer from Seattle. I often spend my time locally looking for wildlife, from the coast to the Pacific Northwest forest and into the mountains, as well as some traveling to see the other amazing wildlife that are not close to home. So why wildlife? Why nature? Well, let me show you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello. I have been spending my morning up in Skagit Valley for Island area, trying to get some photos of birds of prey. So far it's been bald eagles. Northern harriers have been pretty tough to get photos of. I was hoping to see short-eared owls, haven't seen any. I don't think I'll see any today by the looks of it. It's been pretty tough. The birds often, well, they've been really skittish, so sometimes as soon as I put my camera up or just pull over on the side of the road, they just immediately take off. So anyway, I am hoping, it's been getting better throughout the day, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm hoping for some better photos, better opportunities. It's pretty tough with this light. Pretty gray today, as you can see. That's the Pacific Northwest life. Anyway, yeah, I'll, oh, there's a bald eagle flying right towards me. Okay, I'll get back to you guys. I've been watching these chickadees eat some berries, so I'm hoping to get more photos of that. I think it's really adorable, so I'm trying to get as many as I can. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, I'm kind of end this vlog. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I feel like this one had its ups and downs, but oh well, it's how it is sometimes. I'll yeah, see you in the next video.